Making a go-kart?
Yeah.
Okay, what we have here, we used to have a pedal car made in Germany. Sorry, you have to read upside down. Kettler. So we decided to make a project out of it. We decided to put an engine in it. So the whole idea behind it, we want to have the plastic back on and have engine underneath of it. We don't want it in the front. We don't want it, basically we want to heat it behind the seat. So I made a bracket like that. So this is all loose. This is just a fitment. Making a rear axle ourselves. Bought a 1/2-inch rod at Lowe's. Some washers, sprocket, more parts are coming. Okay, the rear end is secure with the bearings. Engine, of course, is still loose. I have to measure the holes. What I did now are my brake and gas pedal. I did out of just regular hinges. You can buy them in any lumber or hardware store. That's a 6-inch hinge. I flip them upside down, and I'm gonna be using them for my brake and gas pedal. I made a little piece like that. It was some kind of bracket before. Cut the end of it, used some bolts, made it secure. I might have a little plate here for my son to rest his foot on while he's using the brake or accelerator. So I want to put the plastic back on, see how everything lines up. All right, everything back's on, and that's how the pedals are gonna be. I'm gonna run the internals cables. I'll have to do more fabrication with these pedals. But anyway, that's what I'm gonna be using. The hinges for the accelerator and for the brake. That's what it looks like now. And everything fits nicely underneath. Nothing on its way. So that's what it looks from the back. Yeah, so next video I'll show you more progress what we're doing here.